Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. On Tuesday, Uber had major announcements by all their executives in Washington, D.C. regarding the driver app and enhancements regarding security and safety. Do they go far enough? Well, in this series, I'm going to do my rebuttal point for point to what all the executives were on the stage explaining to a crowd of drivers and to journalists. First one I'm going to tackle is going to be rider verification. Uber has been testing this in many cities for at least 6 months now. We had actually talked about it on Show Me the Money Club. So join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern for Show Me the Money Club. More importantly, go to our website, www.therideshareguy.com, and subscribe to the free newsletter. In fact, my article is already there with all the details and screenshots regarding all these changes. According to Uber, this must have gone well. The reason is rider verification now is going nationwide. In fact, as a rider, I already got my check mark. Now, this is a good thing as far as I'm concerned. In a bad world of rideshare, obviously with earnings, etc. However, does it go far enough? In fact, the CEO of Uber, Dara Khosrowshahi, said, so far, due to these checks, 15,000 riders have been booted off the platform.
Of pride in. And if there's one thing that we know matters to you a lot, and in hindsight, it's pretty obvious, you want to know more about whom you're picking up. Over the years, we've made a ton of improvements to the app here, like freezing accounts that have fake or inappropriate names until they're changed, or sometimes they're validated with our support team. And to date, for example, we have banned over 15,000 rider accounts with fake and or inappropriate names. We've also started requiring IDs for riders who sign up using an anonymous form of payment. This could be like a Venmo or someone who got an Uber gift card who's using Uber for the first time. We force them to give us an ID so we know exactly who they are. But now we're taking rider identification a step further. We're very, very excited to share that starting tomorrow, we are rolling out new rider verification measures all over the country, nationwide. So these are just designed to help confirm that riders are who they say they are. So here's a little bit about how it works. So the first thing that we do is we cross-reference the rider account details, this might be their name and phone numbers, against trusted third-party databases to make sure that the two match, okay? Most riders, the majority of riders, are going to get verified this way. But some of those riders won't be able to be verified using that methodology. So for those who don't, they can actually choose to upload government-issued identification. This could be a driver's license, or it could be a passport or some other official documentation. Many of you are quite familiar with this methodology. And once we're able to verify that information, they will get a verified badge on their account that drivers like you are going to see before you decide whether or not you're going to accept that ride or whether you're going to reject the trip. So you can see here, this is the verified, but you can see here on the screen what it will look like in your app starting tomorrow. So you should be able to see the little verified.
Mr. Khosrowshahi, there are over 150 million riders on the platform. What is 15,000? I personally probably have 15,000 names, fake names. In fact, At the end of each Show Me the Money episode, we put up one from Lyft and one from Uber. Doesn't seem like it has ended. So if you guys do run into a fake name with a verified check mark, please send it to me at Sergio@therideshareguy.com. What does the rider know about the driver? Everything. They see our picture. They know what kind of car we drive, what color the car is, the license plate, how many trips we have done, how long we have been on the Uber platform. In exchange, what do we know about the passenger? Well, possibly a fake name, like the CEO said, and where to pick them up and where to drop them off if you have upfront fares and destination in your city. Is that enough? So this verification is not even done by Uber. Uber is supposed to do this with third-party databases. Who are these people? I am not sure. It literally took me 30 seconds to get my check mark as a verified rider. It's a good thing. I am not saying it's bad. It's a peace of mind. However, does it go far enough? No. Why can't every single rider upload a verified government ID? We do it. We upload our driver's licenses. Why can't they do it? Why can't they upload a driver's license or a verified government ID with a picture on it so we know exactly who we are picking up? I'm not downplaying the importance of this. I think verified rider check marks are important. It gives us a little bit of a peace of mind. In fact, according to Uber data, it showed that verified riders tip more and verified riders rate their drivers mostly 5 stars. So, this is okay. I'm not complaining. I think it's a good start, but I think it could go a lot further than this. Now, will Uber do that? I doubt that they ever will, because if they do that, they may lose a ton of passengers. So, with that said, please join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern for Show Me the Money Club. And the links for the newsletter is in the show notes, in the video notes. You all stay healthy and be safe out there.